Got another OneDrive video here to share with all of you. I'm running Windows 11 Pro on my desktop computer, and I just got done unlinking and uninstalling OneDrive completely from this computer. Inside the OneDrive folder that it left behind is my desktop, documents, music, pictures, and videos folders. I did not turn off the backup option for each of these folders before I unlinked and uninstalled the program. So now when I go in here to the location of these folders and I'm trying to restore them to their default location in my default user account on my Windows computer, it's not allowing me to do that. Even though I restarted the computer, it's still holding on to that in the registry. You can go in the registry and change, and we could fix it that way, but that can put people's computers, make it unstable. The easiest thing to do and how to fix this is just reinstall OneDrive and properly turn off the backup feature. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and that way it will return these folders to their default locations. So in order to fix this, I'm actually going to go in here and I'm going to reinstall OneDrive and show you how to properly uninstall it. When you get to this screen here, you just want to go ahead and click next. You definitely want to use this folder. You don't want to choose a new one. Just use the existing folder and go through all these little thingies here. So down here in the lower right, once you get the OneDrive reinstalled, click the little cloud and then the little gear up here at the top right, and then settings. Then go into manage backup. Now it's going to give me the option to turn these off one by one. But before we do that, I just want to show you guys real quick. What you want to do is you want to choose these dots right here, which is a menu, and you want to select all, or you can like hold the left click of the mouse down and select all of them, right click, and then there's an option here that says always keep on this device. This will allow you to download these ones that show a little cloud are in the type of status of online only. If you click always keep on this device, it's going to change these to a green circle with the white check mark, and then they'll always be available on the device. What it does is it downloads the files to your actual computer. So now when we go in and we turn off the backup feature, it's going to move these folders back over here to the default location. They will have all of their data that's inside the folders, and it'll move all that data over. So I just want to explain that to you all so you know what's happening there. So I'm going to go down here to the cloud, click on that again, and click on the little gear icon, go to settings. Going to go into manage backup. Now in here, you want to toggle each one off individually at a time. And when you get asked this question, if you simply want to turn these off, restore them to their default location with the data inside them, then you want to choose the one here that says stop and choose where to keep files. You want to choose the one that says only on my PC and continue. If you look over here now, you'll see that documents moved back. So I'm going to go down the list and I'm going to do that for each individual folder, okay? I went through the whole list here and turned everything off. So just go down to the little cloud again and click on that. Go to the gear icon on the top right, click that, click settings. Then over here in this sidebar, click account, and then you want to unlink this PC, unlink account. Once that's done, all you need to do at this point is go into your settings and go to apps and then go to installed apps. Look for in the list Microsoft OneDrive. Then you just want to choose the little menu here and click uninstall, and that will uninstall OneDrive from the computer completely. In order to complete this task entirely, you want to restart your computer, and then what you would do is come in here and right click, go to properties, and you should now have a location tab available, meaning they are all returned to their default location. You can pretty much just delete the OneDrive folder because all of your folders are returned to their default location, and you can move your folders then where you want to move your folders. So if this video was helpful, hit the like button and share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.